Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Terraform for repeatable data infrastructure in AWS. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a valid AWS account. Next, install Terraform on your local machine. Visit the Terraform website to download the installer. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Verify the installation by typing Terraform version. Now, configure your AWS credentials. Use the AWS CLI to set up your access key in secret key. You can do this by running AWS configure in your terminal. Enter your AWS access key, secret key, default region, and output format. Create a new directory for your Terraform project. Use the command dir Terraform project to make the directory. Change to the new directory using cd Terraform project. Create a new file named main.tf. Open main.tf in your preferred text editor. Define the Terraform provider for AWS at the top of the file. Specify the region you plan to use for your resources. Next, define your infrastructure resources. For example, you could create an EC2 instance. Use the resource block like this, resource AWS_instance example. Specify the details of your instance such as AMI and instance type. Make sure to add any necessary tags for organization. Save your changes to main.tf. Next, initialize the working directory by running Terraform init. This command downloads the AWS provider required for your setup. After initialization, run Terraform plan to see the proposed changes. Review the output carefully to ensure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, apply the changes with Terraform apply. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.